Hi, in this video, don't skip any part. Important steps to get the job done. Open the Instagram app. Now, click on your profile here. Then click on this menu in the top right corner. Now, choose Settings here. Then select Help. Help Center. Now, click on the side menu. Then choose Manage your account. Click on Delete your account. Tap on Delete your Instagram account here. Scroll down more and more. Note this note here. Again, click Delete your Instagram account. Now click on this menu. Then choose Mobile Browser Help. Scroll down until you reach to request the permanent deletion of your account. Finally, this is the deletion page. Click on Delete your account here. Click on this menu and choose any reason you want. I'll choose Too Busy. Scroll down. Here, enter your password to confirm the deletion. Then click on Delete here. Then your account will be permanently deleted after a month, and your account will be hidden and no one will be able to access it. That's it. If you like our channel idea, please subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching.